A new business model from SKF lets you finance bearing and condition monitoring investments through the operating budget instead of through capital expenditure. You pay for achieved performance while sharing the risk. In this new type of relationship, we find customized commercial models together and can even provide the full SKF portfolio for a monthly fee. A performance-based contract can be built based on your most important KPIs, like your goals for extending maintenance intervals, for reducing the number of unplanned stops, or your targets for reconditioning bearings during maintenance operations, whatever is most relevant for you. With a performance-based contract, your ambitions and needs are aligned with ours. Like in any true partnership, we share the benefits, but also the risks, through a bonus-malus model. So if you reach your KPIs and your trains perform well, we do too. Contact us to hear more about how you can start paying for performance instead of bearings.